Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the latch rod in your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the rod is broken or because your oven door is not latching properly. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So back here we're going to have to remove this panel in order to access everything behind it. Just got to get all these screws off now. So what we're going to do is loosen up this bracket here, and then that way we can move it down and out of our way. So now we can take the panel and pull that down and set that out of our way. And we have 4 screws that we need to undo, all right up underneath the frame here. And now that we've got it unscrewed, what we're going to do is pull back slightly on this bottom panel so that we can get the metal tabs over the ledge that they're in front of, that they were screwed onto. And then we'll lift this up. And so now we're just going to put this piece of wood inside here and prop it up on the stove top there, so that it doesn't fall down on us while we're taking things apart. So this right here is the latch rod. In order to get it out, we're just going to have to angle it out of this front latch here real quick, just like that. And now, if you can get it out of the motor that's back here by angling that as well, because the latch rod is bent on both ends, you can do that, and that's great. However, in our case, we can't do that because of this metal piece right here. So now from this side, here's the motor with the latch rod, and what we're just going to do is we're going to unscrew the motor. You don't have to undo any of the wires or anything. And now that we've got all the screws out, we can pull the motor out, and that'll bring the latch with it. And then you can just twist it down slightly and pull the latch rod up, and that'll free the latch rod. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement latch rod. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And now we'll put the latch rod in on this side, and you might have to just twist it down a little bit. Try not to do it too much though, because you don't want to bend the rod. And once you get it in, the rod will hold it in place, and if it did bend a little bit, you can just press down on it, and that'll help have it sit in the right way right on there. Now we'll put our latch rod back in through the front here and underneath that pipe, and once you've got it in here, you can reattach it to the motor and then put the motor back in place. So we'll just lift that up, and that crisscrosses underneath. So we'll get our back panel back into place, and you're going to want to line up your holes and screw everything back in. And now we can slide this bracket back up into place. And we'll tighten it down. And now we can turn our stove back around. Now you'll take your wood out. And we'll gently set the stove top down because all of those burners are made of ceramic and they're a little bit fragile if you drop it down like that. And now we just have to line up the guide screws with the holes in our stove top. Now we can screw the trim back into place. And now you can close your oven door and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.